In this video, we're going to be discussing how slow growth is okay on YouTube and how some of the most successful YouTubers are using these exact same methods to become the biggest idols and icons you see today. But before we get started, the first thing I want to emphasize is that success is not achieved overnight. And I'm sure we all heard the saying that Rome wasn't built overnight.
Yep.
So that includes YouTube as well. Anything you want to be successful at in life, you have to put in your time, your effort, and your dedication, no matter what. A prime example being the most successful YouTuber to date, Mr. Beast. If you're not familiar with Mr. Beast, where have you been?
Duh.
He is the most subscribed YouTuber on the platform with over 130 million plus subscribers, making him the king of YouTube. But before he became the biggest YouTuber of all time, he was just a 13-year-old boy posting Minecraft videos on YouTube before he really started his YouTube journey. A lot can be learned by doing your own research, but also through trial and error. It takes time and effort to build up a loyal audience. And that's why it's important to take your time with everything you do in life, including YouTube. I know you see the 10,000 videos saying, follow these 3 steps and you're going to get monetized in a week, when in all actuality, it's a lot of clickbait. Well, I'm here to tell you that taking your time is okay. Build a foundation. Be committed to what you actually put your heart into. Build your craft. It's okay to take your time and build up a fan base. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying don't do your own research. I'm definitely not saying don't watch these other people's videos. A lot of these people have very resourceful information that can be helpful for you to building your YouTube page. But I do want you to understand that you need to focus on what's important to you. Figuring out what your niche is, figuring out who your audience is, figuring out what works best for you. There's no golden ticket to YouTube. I'm sorry. I know that you want to find the first video that's going to give you 100,000 subscribers in a week, but the logic there, it just doesn't make sense. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Woohoo! Now what I want you to do now is remember why you got inspired in the first place. Why did you start the YouTube channel? What was your inspiration? Was it to get monetized? Was it to make extra income? If that's the case, that's completely fine. A lot of people are looking to do the same. Or maybe you just wanted to share your YouTube channel with your family members and friends. If that's the case, so be it. But just remember that inspiration that you had when you originally started that channel. That's the reason why you need to not give up. You don't need to race to the finish line. There's no reason to have to race. YouTube is going to be around for generations to come. What? YouTube is not going anywhere. So yes, I know it'd be great to be monetized within your first month of YouTube, but if you're a beginner, learn your craft. Figure out what works best for you. Now me, I'm a quality over quantity type person. I'm not saying one is better than the other, but what I will say is that I'd rather put out 5 quality videos than put out 100 non-quality videos. And what I mean by that is simply just putting stuff together to try to get clicks and likes and try to get views to try to get monetized. The reason why I feel that way is because I want my audience, I want my following to know that when they see my videos, they're going to get the best out of me every single time. They know they're going to get the best thumbnails. They know that they're going to get the best quality videos. They know that I put the time, the blood, the sweat, and the tears into what I do. So, not saying that you can't do one or the other, but that's what's going to really gravitate to your audience. That's what's really going to make people engage with you, is actually giving them the time to actually put out quality work. Last but not least, I just want to let you know that it's okay to make mistakes. We're all in this together. This is all a learning curve for all of us. And that's exactly why I named my channel the Learning Curve Academy. Because I want you to understand that it's okay for you to do trial and error. It's okay for you to take your time. It's okay for you to not have to follow the gimmicks or follow the clickbait and think that, hey, I need to rush to get to the finish line. At the end of the day, we all have a common goal, and that's probably to take care of our family. That's probably to get monetized on YouTube. But what we really need to focus on is making sure that we are giving people the quality content that they deserve. People are looking for real serious answers of how to do certain things. They're looking for comedy, for relief, to get out of their day-to-day regular life. Some people are looking for, animal videos just to share with their kids. Whatever it may be that you find on YouTube, whatever your niche may be, whether it be cooking, makeup, whatever it may be. At the end of the day, there's a reason why you started this platform. Let that be your inspiration.